In this video, we're gonna fix blink expression by modifying DNA bone expressions, right? So we will modify a DNA bone expression and bake it into the DNA asset. So let's get started. Let's see how our blink looks, and we want to make it to fully close the eye to fully close on blink, right? So for this uh, to begin with this, just set the eye blink value to 1, and now just select it and show DNA expression bones. You can only modify bones in this list, so no other bones can be modified for this expression. So we will search for eyelid upper A, right? So let's do some quick repositioning here, so we make sure our blink works correctly, maybe like this. If you double click on a bone in this list, it will select it in the viewport, and you can do the sculpting easier, right? So let's assume this is our final blink, and now with the expression selected, we apply to DNA expression. Let's test it out. Now our blink works correctly. Let's do the same for the right eye. So let's don't forget to set to 0 the left blink if you're switching to right. So let's enable the eye blink right to maximum value, and let's do the same thing, right? We select it and show DNA expression bones. We go with eyelid upper. We will only modify upper. You can modify whatever bone you want, but for our purpose here, we will just modify upper bones. Just a little bit. I think we can close it a little bit more here. And this is it, right? Uh, we do the same with the expression selected. We apply to DNA expression. And now let's test the right blink as well. And let's test the left blink as well. So pretty quick way to modify any expression for a MetaHuman. For in this video, we just fixed the blinks, but you can literally modify any expression to perform the way you desire. And yeah, this is it for this video, guys. See you around. Bye.